Whew. It's Friday, y'all. Whew. So happy the store had Blanton's today. Yes. Alright, you guys. Anson here from Ivey Homestead. So, second day in a row, Gladys is not going to be joining us, but she does send her love, as always. So, normally, obviously, during the week, since we're having to do this every single day, if we have the girls, there's times that she just can't come in. So, unless we wait until late at night or later at night, put them to bed, and being the Friday, they stay up a little later. So, we're going to let them do their thing. And, yeah, so there's just times that I have to come in here and do it myself. And that's okay. So, thankful. What am I thankful for today? So, this is Simple Life Reclaims Thankful Challenge. And it's so awesome. This is an awesome challenge, y'all. I'm so glad that you guys did this. There's so many people participating, so many people that are doing this. It's awesome. And just bringing the community together. And, yeah, just the fellowship. And, man, I so wish I could have made the meetup this year. But next year, I'm so hoping that I can get out of work to come do the meetup. So, yeah, right now they're looking at doing it possibly May 22nd of next year. Same place, a little bit bigger, more stuff to do, especially for the little ones. Yeah, come hell or high water. Not today, Satan. I'm gonna make it. Yeah, it's gonna happen. So, yeah, back to what I was talking about. Sometimes I get sidetracked. It happens, right? Especially on a Friday. It's been a long day, you guys. It's been a long day. All right. So, thankful. What am I thankful for today? Life lessons. Yeah. I think I'm going to go with that because I know this is one of the things that Bob was thankful for today. Kind of on the same line, right? He was more thankful to his exes. And just made him the person that he is today. And I'm kind of going on that same premise, but more of life lessons. Just the things that you learn that makes you who you are, right? I've been in a divorce. I've been in several relationships. But there's other things in life that makes you who you are, right? It's life's lessons. And one of the things that I would always tell my daughter, is there's two different types of life lessons. So there's the easy way or there's the hard way. Easy way, right, is listen to your parents, listen to your teachers, listen to the people that have already lived life. For the most part, they've been through those tribulations and those turbulences and all those ups and downs, roller coaster ride of life. And they've seen the outcome. Whether they did it the easy way or whether they did it the hard way, they know the answer. So if you listen to those people, you're doing it kind of the easy way. But there's some things that you have to do that's the hard way. And doing it yourself and going through those trials and tribulations and those roller coaster rides and getting your heart broken and getting thrown down, facing the dirt, facing the mud. But those are the things that make you who you are today. Life lessons. Easy way or hard way. Whichever way you choose, whichever fork in the road you decide to go, just know that life does not end in whichever path you take. Take the easy way or take the hard way. Just know that there's going to be many forks in the road as you're living life. There's going to be many trials and tribulations. But don't fret because it makes you the person you are today, tomorrow, yesterday. Right? Every little life lesson molds us to what we are. So, this is my second one, by the way. So, if I'm rambling on a little bit, but it's Friday, y'all. All right, so there we go. Now, I told you I had a list, right? So I have to write this stuff down. I don't remember. So if I don't write stuff down, I don't remember. And this goes along with the shout outs, right? This challenge involves shouting out a channel. And my shout out for today, I am going to shout out Rockin 8 Farm. Guys, go check them out. I'm going to have the link down in the description as well. But they're an awesome family, y'all. They do some great stuff. Great gardening. Great projects. They have it going on. They know what they're doing. Raising chickens, doing all kind of stuff down there, and they need some help with some subscribers, y'all. It was one of those things when they first started. They had their channel set up to that whole made for children only thing, so you couldn't click the bell notification or whatever. I don't know if that affected their subscriber counts, but they've been doing this long enough. They need to have more subscribers than what they got. So go check them out. They're great. They're awesome. All right. That's all I got for today, y'all. So don't forget, click that bell for notifications. Hit subscribe if you're not subscribed already. We greatly appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up. Don't have to, but we appreciate that too. And sticker board's almost getting full. I think I'll fit a couple more though. All right, y'all. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye now.